Finally, let's look at the cloud version of this software, which you are also now able to use. To do so, simply point your web browser to analyticsolver.com. Then click the login link in the upper right and log in with the same email address and password that you used when you registered on solver.com. Once you are logged in, we recommend that you click this About choice in the top menu bar and read about the differences between using the cloud-based version and the desktop version. When you're ready to use the cloud-based version, just click the Analytic Solver link in the top left. This will bring up the cloud-based application. As you'll see, this looks and behaves very much like the version in Desktop Excel. The grid, though it's not Desktop Excel, behaves very much like a normal spreadsheet grid. And the ribbon options are the same as you see in Desktop Excel on the Analytic Solver tab, the Excel Miner tab, and the Solver Home tab, where we have some additional ribbon options for spreadsheet editing. It's on this tab where you'll bring files into the spreadsheet grid. You can do that with your own files uploaded and downloaded from the desktop version, but you'll probably be using this Open button to open files from other sources. This will allow you to bring in files from your desktop or from OneDrive or Google Drive or other sources, whatever your browser's File Open dialog can access. You also have access to more than 100 example datasets and models in both the desktop and cloud versions. On the Excel Miner Platform tab, under Help, you can find examples, and there's a large set of example datasets that you can load directly into the grid. On the Analytic Solver Platform tab, there's a similar list of example models. Here's a whole set of optimization examples for resource allocation. We'll open this product mix example, which is a simple manufacturing product mix problem where we're trying to optimize the number of products that we make with inventory on hand. To quickly illustrate how we can optimize this model, clicking the button starts an optimization using a back-end cloud server, the Raison server, operated by Frontline Systems. And that server will come back with a solution and plug it into your model on the desktop. As you're studying data mining and machine learning, you'll also have access to Frontline's SQL Azure database in the cloud, where we supply students with appropriate credentials automatically. If we connect to this database, you can see that there's a large number of tables where there are many fields, and you can use this data in your own analysis. You also have access to an Apache Spark big data cluster that Frontline maintains for use by its academic users. Here we'll connect automatically to that Apache Spark cluster using a Hadoop file system underneath. And here we have access to a set of classic data sets, such as the FAA airline data set, the New York taxi cab data set, and the Higgs boson data set that you can use for learning purposes. All around, you have access to these things in both the desktop and cloud versions of Analytic Solver.